Do you want to learn how to look fleek in 5 minutes? Then keep watching. Whether you're a mom or just someone who's pressed for time in general, this is for you. Talofa and hello. I'm Victoria. This is Lily. As a mom, sometimes we do not have much time on our hands to worry about our looks or just not look like this. Just sweats. This is gonna be a makeup tutorial, a really quick just how to look a little more pulled together. This is just to look a little bit better, you know, when the husband come home or something like that. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's get into it. And the first thing that you're gonna need to do is take a shower, because you can't be funky. One thing that I like to do is do some kind of face mask. I know that this is supposed to be kind of like a pressed for time tutorial, but I like to put a face mask on and just kind of like walk around, you know, do my thing, wash the clothes, get a snack, you know. So I'm gonna do this, and this is the Ordinary peeling solution. It was trending on TikTok maybe like during the pandemic or something, and I did buy it, and it's one of those TikTok trends that actually was good. Procure that self-care for yourself. So I like to do this and just kind of like multitask, walk around the house or whatever, but right now I don't really have anything to do. Those dishes looking at me like, yes you do, treat yourself. Okay, so now I'm gonna go take a shower. Voila, I've taken a shower. I feel like a new person. I feel rejuvenated, refreshed. Let's get into this glow up. So first off, I stopped wearing full coverage foundation probably a couple months ago. Maybe it's been about 6 months since I've worn full coverage foundation, but I have noticed amazing results that I have never gotten with any kind of acne medicine. I've used Proactive, I've used Neutrogena. Ceasing to wear foundation has done wonders for my face. So sometimes I do go in with a little tiny bit of concealer to cover these bags because I don't sleep. I use my fingers because remember, this is supposed to be quick. Don't make fun of me. My beauty blender looks really funky. This is a one-handed tutorial too. Once you become a mom, you got all the skills. And I don't do that every day. If I feel like it, sometimes I'll put a little bit of concealer, a little bit, just to like cover the bags. And I will link everything in the description box. This was MAC, it's really old. I don't know. Next, I will go in with some Anastasia brow dip, and I have my trusty brushy right here that is looking rough itself, but it'll do. Literally don't do much at all. I just go in, shape the brow. I only do it on the bottom though. This is the tutorial you don't even need 2 hands for. So if you have 1 hand, this is the tutorial for you. And then we're gonna brush it out so it doesn't look funky. Okay. Oh, uh-oh. Here comes trouble. Next, I have this. I do not take care of my makeup. I don't really wear it that much, so yeah, anymore. I actually used to be like obsessed with makeup.
I mean, period, I was slaying, but this is a different version of myself.
All right, so next I will go in and I'll put a tiny bit of shadow on. Now this is the challenging part if you have 1 hand, but I'm a pro, so. we're going to go in with, maybe it's Maybelline, a little bit of mascara, snap mascara. Sometimes I like to just her. Period. And then my favorite thing to use, I recommend this for everyone, lanolin cream. It's really like the nipple cream that they give you in the hospital for when you start breastfeeding. But I literally put it on my lips. At night, sometimes I put it on my eyebrows. Like, okay, check this out, check this out. My eyebrows, I will insert a picture and you can laugh. My eyebrows have grown back because I literally used to shave my eyebrows off all the way to here so I could be like drawing them up there. It took me a long time to grow my eyebrows back, but getting this on my eyebrows, I have a bigger tube too, and my nipples when I was first breastfeeding. It was very, very helpful. And so that is how I grew my eyelashes back, and my eyebrows and my eyelashes back. Yes, yes, yes. And then I have this NK makeup. This is literally from a beauty supply store. It's lip oil and I really like it. Since I am black, I have a little bit of hyperpigmentation on my lips, so kind of like to achieve the same color. Yeah, to get the same color on my lips, I just go in. It's not even the same color. And that, ladies and gents, is how I do my makeup, how I get looking presentable when I am very pressed for time, which is every single day. So that is a 5-minute one-handed tutorial. I will link everything I used in the description. As you can see, didn't even use a mirror. I can do it standing in my kitchen. So take that 5 minutes for yourself. Thanks for watching.